cabin or under the seat in front of you, small, lightweight items may be placed in the seat pocket. If you need assistance, please let us know. If you are sitting in an exit seat, please review the safety card in the seat pocket. You may need to open the exit in an emergency. Let a flight attendant know if you are unwilling to operate the exit or do not meet the exit seat requirements.
Part of it, when you get pregnant, sometimes yeah, I've had that too. What if we're having a baby? I don't know. What are you trying to say? Everybody's like going crazy on the phone right now because I don't even feel like there's people on the phone. Okay, alright, I'll let you go. I love you. So I can use some laundry at your house, right? Okay. Good. Bye. I love you. You gonna get some sleep? Okay, I'm gonna stop this music soon and just jump out the window.
To be expected. Yeah. Just see the people.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's like bad first. Okay. I love you. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
Please make sure if you are seated in the first row of each cabin, this is row 1 and row 8. All of your belongings need to be in the overhead bin for takeoff and landing. This does include anything larger than a tablet. Must be in the overhead bin, cannot be in your lap. Tucked behind your feet or against the wall.
Come on, great start.
Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from the cockpit. This is your Captain Scott Burton. On behalf of myself and First Officer Chet Wilson, would like to welcome you aboard. We've completed our cockpit duties. We'll be pushing off the gate here within the next 5 to 10 minutes for early departure. Once airborne, you can expect 2 hours and 49 minutes en route. Right now, we're planning on a cruising altitude of 38,000 feet. I know a lot of you got up fairly early to make this flight, so I'm going to refrain from making any further unnecessary PAs. That way, I'm going to go ahead and tell you about our seatbelt policy. Once we've departed and we've reached our cruise altitude,